In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo slider to your Wix website. Adding a logo slider is an excellent way to showcase the brands or partners you work with, and it's a dynamic visual element that can really make your page stand out. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can seamlessly integrate this feature into your Wix site. To begin, you'll want to log into your Wix account. Once you're in, navigate to the site editor by selecting the website you wish to update. If you have several sites, make sure you choose the right one. After that, you'll see the editor interface with all the tools you need on the left-hand side of the screen. Now, look for the Add button, recognizable by a plus sign. Click on it, and it'll expand into a menu with different options. From this list, find and click on Strip, which lets you add versatile content sections to your page. Once you've done that, you'll see various strip designs, but what we're interested in is the blank strip. Select it and drag it onto your web page where you envision the logo slider to be. With the blank strip in place, our next step involves adding a slideshow to this section so that logos can rotate dynamically. You'll want to head back to the Add menu, and this time, select Slideshow. Similar to the strips, you can select from several styles, but for a logo slider, you might want to choose a simple option without too many frills. After settling on a style, drag the slideshow onto your blank strip. Now, we need to adjust the slideshow so that it fits well and functions smoothly as a logo slider. Click on the slideshow element you just added to reveal the settings and resize it by dragging its corners until you're happy with its position and size on the strip. Fine-tuning this will ensure the logos are neither too large nor too small and that they look professional on the site. At this juncture, you'll want to populate the slideshow with the logos you want to showcase. Click on Change Images in the slideshow settings to open the image management window. You can either upload new images or use existing ones from your media gallery. Go ahead and upload your logo files if you haven't already, ensuring each one meets any design requirements or quality standards you have in mind. Once all logos have been uploaded, add them to the slideshow, replacing any default images. Remember to reorder them if necessary, depending on how you want them to appear on your site. A good tip is to ensure that all logos have a consistent style. This might mean adjusting their size or adding a little bit of padding so they look uniform as they cycle through. Before wrapping up, take a moment to review the transition settings for the slideshow. Quick and smooth transitions are often ideal for logo sliders, so adjust the speed and animation style to fit your website's overall aesthetic. You can tweak these transitions by going into the slideshow settings and experimenting to find the best fit. Finally, give everything a once-over by previewing your page. Ensure the slider works as expected, with logos appearing sharp and professional. If you're happy with how everything looks and functions, hit that Publish button to make your changes live. That's it. With these steps, you've successfully added a logo slider to your Wix website, enhancing its look and feel. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Thank you for watching and happy customizing.